The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video on the Samsung Galaxy S20 5G for straight talk. So the Galaxy S20 5G is not at straight talk. The foundation got released, so that's pretty good. So there's the Galaxy S20 5G right there. You guys see it just have the whole point to your back-facing camera. Power button on the right side, 9 keys are on the left side there. Big screen and stuff like that, pretty nice. Right side of the phone, like I said, the power button in your so that volume key right there, like the volume keys. So your volume and power keys are on the right side of the phone. But the volume keys are on the left side of the phone right now. They're all on the right side of the phone. So it's pretty good. So this back of the Galaxy S20, you guys have your 3 cameras set up there, your camera flash, Samsung logo and stuff like that. So pretty nice. So of course the Galaxy S20 5G has Wi-Fi 82.11, 8BGN, AC, AX, dual band Wi-Fi. It has 120 gigabytes of RAM and 8 gigabytes of RAM. Digital dimensions there. 39 hours of usage time. 6.21 cm display. You have a 12 megapixel wide angle camera, 64 megapixel telephoto, and a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera. So there's your camera configurations there. This is the phone that will change photography. Meet the Galaxy S20 with a revolutionary 8K video snap, changing how you capture not just video but photography, and 5G changing the way you share it. Adding Samsung lock, security, and an intelligent battery, powerful processor, and massive storage in the Galaxy S20 series unveils a new world for mobile. So, pretty nice thing. You guys will also need 5G for this to work. I'm sure that this is using Verizon's tower share, so you guys get Verizon's 5G network on this. So you guys have 3 options to get this one. You guys can pay it monthly or get it for retail. This is the base version of the Galaxy S20. So if you guys have great credit, it's $49.93 a month for 24 months. If you guys are like building credit, it's $122.60 a month for 15 months, or it's $999.99 for retail price. Okay. So you do have options there to buy a phone any you want, monthly or for retail. So the size of the phone is there. The frame is at 5.75 ounces, included battery is 4,000 milliamps, 39 hours talk time, standby time is up to 15 days and 10 hours. Band enhanced 4x4 environment, enhanced 4x4 for 4x4 MIMO, and category 20 up to 2 gigabytes. Download upload speed up to 130 megabytes upload. So, yeah. So what you guys in the box is a USB cable, travel adapter, USB-C, AKG headset, phone case, which is nice, extra earbuds, and ejection tool. Pretty nice there. And of course, you guys will need a service plan for this to work. It says a service plan card is required for activation. Plans are not returnable or refundable. Service plan card is required for activation. I don't know why they put that twice. I don't get it. Text SAG981U1 just 611 for more tutorials. You have Android 10 with One UI. Storage, store more and create more generous. Storage out of the box, plus expandable memory, so you never have to delete what's important to you. Massive storage out of the box can expand to fit your needs as well as work and life happens, so you get the storage of the laptop in your pocket. Photos and videos with one tap. Captures video and multiple types of images with one tap of the shutter button. One tap captures multiple images and video at once. Lenses, effects, and filters capture the best of every moment every time. Processor, you have a Snapdragon 865 processor there. Display 6.2 inches Infinity display, dynamic AMOLED. So there you guys have the Samsung Galaxy S20. 5G is not hurt at Straight Talk. It's available now for $9.99 for retail price, or you guys need it monthly. So if you guys enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. You guys are the best man on what. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.